Before removing any ceiling fan light cover, safety is the top priority. Always turn off the power to the ceiling fan at the circuit breaker, not just the wall switch. After turning off the power, verify it's completely off using a voltage tester. This ensures your safety before touching any electrical components. Hampton Bay ceiling fans use two main types of light covers. Understanding which type you have determines the removal method. Type 1 is the twist-off cover. These dome-shaped covers thread directly onto the light fixture and can be removed by turning counterclockwise. Type 2 uses screws to secure the cover. These covers have visible screws around the edge that must be removed with a screwdriver before the cover can be taken off. For twist-off covers, start by wiping any dust off the dome to improve your grip. Dampen your palm slightly for better traction on smooth glass surfaces. Have someone hold the main fan body steady to prevent the entire fan from rotating. Place your hand firmly on the dome and turn counterclockwise with steady pressure. Some models, like the Hampton Bay Windward 2, may require extra force due to tight threading. Don't be afraid to apply firm pressure, but be careful not to crack the glass. For screw-secured covers, carefully locate all screws holding the light cover in place. These are usually visible around the edge of the fixture. Use the correct size screwdriver to avoid stripping the screws. Remove each screw completely and store them in a small container so they don't get lost. After removing the cover, you may need to remove the entire light kit to access bulbs or wiring. Look for additional screws holding the light kit to the fan housing. When disconnecting wires, note their colors and connections for proper reassembly. This completes the light cover removal process for both twist-off and screw-secured types. With the light cover removed, you can now access the bulb. To remove the old bulb, gently twist it counterclockwise while supporting the socket with your other hand. If the bulb resists or is broken, take extra precautions. Wear gloves to protect your hands and use needle-nose pliers to grip the metal base of a broken bulb safely. To install the new bulb, align it with the socket and turn clockwise until it's snug. Important, don't over-tighten, as this can damage the socket or bulb threads. LED bulbs are highly recommended for ceiling fans. They use significantly less energy, last much longer, and produce less heat compared to traditional incandescent bulbs. Some newer ceiling fans have integrated LED light kits. These cannot have individual bulbs replaced. The entire LED module must be replaced when it fails. After replacing the bulb and reattaching the cover, test the light. If it doesn't work, check the wiring connections and remote control batteries. When in doubt, consult a qualified electrician for safety.